Hello, I'm Mr. Polk and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'd like to show you just quickly how to marinate the London Broil and how to prepare to roast it. We're doing this to make a really nice roast beef French dip sandwich. So you're going to start with your bowl, and I try to do a recipe that has kind of the classic marinade for meat like this. So I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil going in there. I got a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And then we have 2 tablespoons of soy and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Put that in there. And then I always like to put a little bit of mustard. Kind of gives it that little tang there. So I put that in. And then for seasoning, I'm just going to go real easy. Just going to do a teaspoon or so of the Montreal and a half teaspoon or so of just some granulated garlic. And I'm going to mix all of that together. And that's really your marinade. And then what you're going to do is just take your steak and you want to just coat it into the marinade, the London Broil. And you can, this would be really nice to put this in a glass dish. You could put this in a glass baking dish, a 9x13, and you could let it marinate for a couple hours in the fridge. But what I like to do is I just want to show you the next step. So what we can do is, the magic of television, we can pretend that we've left this marinate for a few hours. You don't want to let it marinate too long because it's the acid helps to break down the connective tissue. But whenever you do marinade, make sure that you always marinate under refrigeration. And the juice that's in there, if you're going to use it, it has to be cooked because it's in with the raw meat. You can't just pour that on top. What we're going to do is we're going to roast this guy. And what I want to do is I want to develop, since it's for a French dip, I really want to make a really good au jus. So to do that, rather than just roasting it in the pan, what I'm going to do is put my mirepoix in it. So I've already did a small dice of the celery, the carrots, and the onion. And it's okay that I'm using the same glove with the meat because it's all going to go in together in a second. And I just take the mirepoix and put it to the middle. And that's going to make just a really nice bed for the meat to sit on. Okay? And then we're going to take the London Broil, give it one last little turn, get it all in there. And then this is why I said it was okay that I used the same gloves, because I'm going to lay it right on top. Okay, so now I've got my London Broil laying right on top of there. I'm not going to pour any extra marinade, because anything that lays on the bottom is just going to start to burn up, and I don't want that. What I want to happen is I want that to roast in the oven. It's going to roast until it reaches an internal temperature of about 125. I want to get it to would be medium rare, because then what's going to happen is it's going to come out of the oven, it's going to rest. As it cooks, the fat's going to drip out into that mirepoix. That's going to flavor our au jus. And then we'll be able to take this and we'll be able to slice it real thin and heat it up in the au jus and make a really nice French dip sandwich. So, thank you for cooking with me today right here at Mr. Polk's Kitchen. I can't wait to cook with you again.